Hi Aisha, how are you today?
Hi Ria, I'm fine. How are you?
I am fine too. Did you complete your homework?
Yes, I completed my homework last night. What about you?
I completed English and science homework, but maths is still left.
Why didn't you finish maths homework?
I did not understand some sums in the exercise.
Which exercise are you talking about?
Exercise 3.2 from the maths textbook.
Oh, that one is easy. I can explain it to you.
Really?
That would help me a lot. Yes, we can sit together in the library after school. That is a great idea. Do you have your notebook with you? Yes, I brought my notebook and textbook. Good, then we'll complete it quickly. Thank you for helping me, Aisha. You are welcome, Ria. Friends should help each other. Yes, homework becomes easy when we work together. Now let's go to class. The teacher is coming.